Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Ind and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial on this look right here. It's comparing the James Charles palette to the Primark version of it. I've also used like a full face of Primark products as well, trying them out. And the lip colour I'm kind of obsessed with at the moment. It's dry and matte and it's not tight at all. But yeah, no. Without me rambling on, let's get on with the video. And I've got the brow and define gel and I've got that in brown, and then I've got a brow pencil in blonde, so they're both £1, so really good. On the brow pencil you've got a little sharpener. I actually hate brow pencils, by the way, so this is going to be great. And then I've got a nice decent sized spoolie at the end. So close up, and then the brow gel, I haven't even opened this, so I want to see what it's like. Very much like the spoolie, it's short and quite rusty, so like rusty. I'm just going in with the spoolie end and just shape them into where I want them. Okay, so my left eye is going to be the Primark eye, this eye is going to be the James Charles eye. I'm going to do kind of like a neutral eye, and then I'm going to do a whole review on this on its own. Today it's a comparison video, so I want to make it as much as a comparison video as I can. Start off with 020. It looks very shimmery, it's very much a like once I put my brush in, there's a lot of kickback with it, so let's see if it's what it's like with the other eyes. This is the Primark eye, and I'm just gonna buff that out. I'm just buff that all the way up, because this is going to be my transition shade. There is a lot of kickback. Like that on the outer corner. Bring it in, but in the lid, like the in the crease, sorry. It's very nice when it's packed in, like when you pack it on, it's really nice. I'm gonna go back into 020 and just buff that out. The James Charles palette, beauty, and I basically used everything in the middle and this shade, so I'm going to do the exact same as my transition shade. So to be fair, this is matching pretty well with it. This is a little bit lighter, just the tiniest bit, but I'll take it because it's a transition shade. I don't mind if I'm wigging this down quite a lot because I'm only going to buy it out. And I just pack that all over to my lid. Finished result, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. You can tell the difference very vaguely if you like. I personally this more shimmery, silvery, this more deeper gold. Only thing you can see, but like looking up you can tell the difference. Brows, I absolutely love the brow pencil and the brow gel. I was quite shocked. The lashes took me a while because they just would not go on my eyes. So yeah, cream contour, absolutely loved it. It didn't really tug on my skin. Really nice and creamy. The pressed powder in cinnamon was really nice. Really pigmented because it is a bronzer, so like a foundation. So it was really nice to bronze the skin in. Lip kits wise, it was annoying because the lip pencil had broke on me, and it's not a twisty up one. Liquid lip itself. Really nice. It's really matte, but it is a little bit on the like crumbly side now it's set. The mascara is really nice and lengthening on the top lashes because I only put it on the top lash. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe, which is all down below. Yeah, and I'll see you in my next video. So this will be going up on Thursday. So yeah, I'm finally uploading twice a week, which is so good. Yeah, I will see